Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now, it was a full house over the weekend as patrons gathered at the Phoenix Theatre to relish in the food and festivities orchestrated by Barracks Entertainment for the Kendall Saving Grace opening night gala.
He could possibly be hanging with someone younger. You think that? I'm so frustrated.
What? They sound like a sexual frustration.
That is another can of worms.
A simple play packed a big punch as young writer-director Fabian Barracks, through his talented cast, depicted the trials of marriage using some familiar notes.
Saving Grace is a play that deals with marriage and the issues that affect marriage. So for example, infidelity, lack of trust, lack of communication, all of those things that affect marriages. I mean, sometimes in Jamaica people think, well, in the world people think that divorce is the only solution when you're going through issues, but really there are other solutions like counseling and working it through and just sticking it through the end, you know. From the reception I can see that people are enjoying it. They love the excitement of the wifey versus matey drama, and you know Jamaicans love that whole thing because we have a wifey versus matey culture. I think so.
I'm enjoying it beautifully. Trust me, the acts on stage, trust me, they are well put together. I must commend the Barracks team again for, ensuring that when we come for a play like this, we come to see excitement, we come to see fun, and we come to just have a grand good time.
Saving Grace will continue its staging at Phoenix Theatre until January 28 and will then make a stop at the William Knibb Memorial High School in Trelawney on February 17. On the international scene, Marvel's much-anticipated superhero film Black Panther has already made waves in Hollywood, even ahead of its release date. According to movie ticket website Fandango, Black Panther has reportedly sold more advance tickets in 24 hours than any other Marvel movie in history. A great feat, as the record was previously held by Marvel's 2016 release, Captain America: Civil War.
The world is changing. Soon there will only be the conquered and the conquerors.
Step into the spotlight.
You are a good man
Step into the spotlight.
with a good heart. And it's hard for a good man to be a king.
The film has also been ranked by voters as the second most anticipated film for 2018. Black Panther, which is set to be released on February 16, will have a star-studded cast, acclaimed actors including Chadwick Boseman alongside Lupita Nyong'o, Forrest Whitaker, Angela Bassett, and more. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.